Audi Q3 maintenance cost Rupees 24,000 to 26,000 includes replacement of engine oil filters, brakes, cleaning, foam wash, scanning and diagnostic. Authorized service charge between Rupees 32,000 to 35,000. Body and painting per panel starts from 12,000 to 15,000 rupees. Authorized service charge Rupees 20,000 and above per panel. Wiper blades from Bosch or Valeo wiper blades at Rupees 5,500. Now coming to battery. Exide battery Rupees 14,500 with 4 years warranty, and Amaron Rupees 16,900 with 5 years warranty. Authorized service charge above 16,000 rupees. Front brake pads and rotors cost between Rupees 23,500 to 25,000. Authorized service charge front brake pads Rupees 18,000 to Rupees 22,000. Front brake rotors Rupees 30,000 to Rupees 35,000. Rear brake pads and rotors cost Rupees 18,500 to 20,000 rupees. Authorized service charge rear brake pads Rupees 18,000 to Rupees 22,000. Rear brake rotors Rupees 30,000 to Rupees 35,000. These are estimated maintenance cost detail, and cost may vary based on location and condition of car.